Welcome to our exploration of the secret lives of plants, where we uncover the fascinating ways these green organisms communicate, adapt, and thrive in their environments. While they may seem stationary, plants lead dynamic lives filled with intricate behaviors that are nothing short of extraordinary. Did you know that plants can communicate with each other? It may sound surprising, but research shows that plants use a variety of methods to share information. For instance, they release volatile organic compounds, think of these as chemical signals, to warn neighboring plants about potential threats, such as insect herbivores. When attacked, a plant might release a specific scent that signals nearby plants to boost their own chemical defenses, making them less palatable to pests. This remarkable phenomenon, known as plant signaling, highlights how interconnected the plant world truly is.
Below the surface, another fascinating layer of plant life exists. Plants are connected through vast networks of roots and fungi, often referred to as the wood wide web. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, allowing them to share nutrients and water. This underground network not only aids in nutrient exchange, but also helps in communication between plants. Through this system, older trees can provide younger plants with nutrients and even share warnings about environmental stresses, like drought or disease. Plants are not as immobile as we once thought. Some species exhibit movement in response to environmental stimuli. For example, the Mimosa pudica, also known as the sensitive plant, can quickly fold its leaves when touched, a defense mechanism to deter herbivores. The secret lives of plants reveal a world of complexity and interconnectedness that challenges our perceptions. From their ability to communicate and form relationships to their remarkable adaptations and sensory perceptions, plants are anything but passive inhabitants of our planet. As we continue to explore and understand the secrets of plant life, we can better appreciate their crucial role in our ecosystem and the beauty they bring to our lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey.